Hey Smart Shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of resin 3D printers with a head-to-head battle between the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 and the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS. Buckle up, because this is going to be a bumpy ride. First up, let's talk about the one thing that makes or breaks any relationship: money. On the left, we have the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2, coming in at a wallet-friendly $229. On the right, we have the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS, which will set you back a cool $375. That's like the difference between buying a decent steak dinner and splurging on a Wagyu feast. If you're on a budget, the Photon Mono 2 won't have you eating ramen for a month. Now, let's talk about screens and resolution. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 sports a 6.6-inch 4K plus HD screen with a resolution of 4096 by 2560. It's like watching Netflix in Ultra HD, but with tiny models instead of tiny humans. On the other side, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS boasts the highest resolution on the market at 22 micrometers. That's so detailed, you could probably print out each individual hair on your cat. If you're a detail freak, the Sonic Mini 8KS is your new best friend. Lighting up next, we have the light sources and surface quality. The Photon Mono 2 comes with an upgraded light turbo matrix, promising more stable and uniform light. Think of it as the difference between a rave with a strobe light and a cozy dinner with candlelight. The Sonic Mini 8KS, on the other hand, offers up to 50% less layer lines. It's smoother than a freshly shaved dolphin. So if you're all about that silky smooth finish, the Sonic Mini 8KS takes the cake. When it comes to build volume, the Photon Mono 2 has got a larger build area at 165 by 143 by 89 millimeters. It's like having a double-decker sandwich compared to a regular one. More space means bigger prints and fewer placement issues. The Sonic Mini 8KS, however, doesn't brag about its build volume as much, so if size matters to you, the Photon Mono 2 might be your go-to. Last but not least, let's talk about user experience and software. The Photon Mono 2 features the new Photon Workshop 3.0, making slicing and dicing easier than chopping onions with a samurai sword. The Sonic Mini 8KS, being the social butterfly, is compatible with most slicers out there. Whether you're a fan of lychee, chitubox, or tango, it's got your back. And for beginners, it's as easy to use as a toaster. So if you're new to 3D printing, the Sonic Mini 8KS is like a friendly guide dog leading you through the dark alley of resin printing. Reviewers have praised the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 for its affordability, ease of use, and sturdy build. It's especially recommended for beginners who want to start 3D printing without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS has received accolades for its exceptional detail, fast printing times, and overall value for money. However, it does require a dedicated and ventilated space for optimal use. So, there you have it, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 versus the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS. Both have their strengths and quirks, just like any good superhero duo. If you're a budget-conscious beginner, the Photon Mono 2 is your trusty sidekick. If you crave the highest detail and smoothest finishes, the Sonic Mini 8KS is your high-res hero. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and ring the bell for more epic product showdowns. Until next time, keep shopping smart and printing those dreams. Catch you later. Product links are in the description.